So in an unexpected series of events today, wind. Today I came out to do some stuff in the shop. Bring some tools, do some organization, clean up. Yesterday we got the building permit for the meter box inspection for the power company. And lo and behold, the power company showed up today to run the line. And the hill that I made a mess of, they've got to come down through, so oops. Hopefully my mess won't impact them too much. I did get the big stuff out of their way, and I guess they can kind of push around. I hope it'd be cool if we had a convergence of all the major players today. That'd be really nice. That would be really nice. So I mentioned the great convergence of things. We have power. They did a really good job, really quick job. Took them 2 days. They had a lot of work to do. I'll include some pictures of the trenching, the transformer, and. But yep, we have power. We are functional. Exciting news. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.